Good afternoon, I'm Simnukam Zekandaba and I'm the editorial assistant for ITWeb Africa.com. For this week's stock market news, we start off with the telecoms sector in South Africa. Mobile network operator Vodacom SA went one up its competitors on Wednesday, announcing that it was commercially launching its 4G network, making it the first company in the country to do so. The news came as a bit of a shock, especially since Vodacom had just recently joined rivals MTN as well as Cell C, announcing that they would launch their 4G services by year-end in cities such as Johannesburg, Pretoria and Durban. A statement released by the company said 4G is available immediately in selected parts of Johannesburg. However, news of the announcement didn't do much for that stock, as it was seen trading in negative territory, down 0.5%, priced at 100 Rand a share after news broke on Wednesday. Vodacom SA is definitely a stock to keep an eye out for, especially with all the PR war taking place between the South African telcos. We currently have it trading in positive territory, up 0.2% at 151 cents a share. Now shifting focus to electronic stocks on the JSE. Interim results came out earlier this week from telecoms and information technology group Altron. The company's East and West African businesses seem to have put some pressure on that stock. Earnings before tax declined by 9% to 852 million Rand, while headline earnings per share shed some value by 2% to 81 cents per share. Company Chief Executive Robert Fenter said that although the company was doing well in terms of revenue, the rewards were not as evident in the interim results. Altron's revenue increased by 11% compared to the same period last year. Altec, which is the subdivision in charge of operations in East and West Africa, faced similar pressures last month, releasing unimpressive results, reporting an 18% decline to 372 million Rand. Last month, Altec also announced that it would sell 75% of its share in its Nigerian businesses as a result of operational difficulties in that business. That Altec stock trading in the red, down 0.5% at 42.28 Rand a share. That's all from me.